Hi, guys.
Just gonna leave them there, Ben?
Hang on.
Sunglasses, where are
They're in my pocket. Hi, girls.
Get off the concrete.
Can you wave? Hi, Madison.
2 feet of snow on the ground and Ben found the patch of concrete. Yeah, full sled on.
Hey, Benson. Can you wave? Good boy.
Your mitten's gonna fly off, pal.
You having fun? All right. Hi.
The blizzard of 2010.
Hey, guys. Smile.
Wave, guys.
Hi, Anna. Hi, Benson.
You guys
Hi,
like the snow?
Madison.
Huh? Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to do in the snow? What do you like to do? I think Ben likes snowballs.
I like to throw snowballs in your face.
Wow, that's not nice.
I have someone I don't think too.
Do any of you like making snow angels?
Yeah.
Who does? Who does?
Me.
Ben, you do? Madison, do you like making snow angels?
I just make a snow angel in the whole hill.
Yeah? Was it pretty when you stood up? Is it cold when you lay down in the snow? Yeah.
All right. Give me a wave.
All right, well, come on, guys. Let's go.
Enjoy
sled
the
some
rest
more.
of your ride.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hi, Molly.
Maybe we'll see you over at Kelly's later. Okay. Or come over sooner if you get a little time. We'll prep the wife and see them. Give Jeff a call. We know we can do.
A lot of work, huh, Anna? Okay, here goes Daddy on his run.
I need some more gloves.
Yay! Hey, Benson. Hi, buddy. How's the snow?
Good.
Hold on, babe. You gotta wait. Don't go in the garage, guys. It's slippery. Hi, Scott. Good. Anna Bowler. You're funny. I'm ready.
All right, Anna.
Have fun, Anna.
Okay.
This one's safer, Anna. Woo! Anna, how was it?
Good. Take the pistol.
Save. Hey, Anna.
Mommy, I want to go inside.
Are you cold? You look at me. Give me a thumbs up. You made it. She's the king of the hill. Good job!
No.
Hey, Ben, wave!
Wait for mommy.
Good
Hey,
run!
mommy, should I carry him back up or make him do it himself?
Yeah, just hold his hand. He could do it.
All right.